I've made 3 loaves out of that mix. I did toy with using some of these molds, but they were a bit too flimsy even in a metal container. So I've used 3 metal containers. I've slightly oiled inside on the 3 containers with some olive oil. Not let this stick because it is a non-stick pan and bread cooks quite nicely without sticking, but it gives an extra little bit of depth of flavour. I've actually sprinkled some wholemeal flour on top. That's to prevent it drying out too much as this rises. Now what I'm looking to do, this is going to rise until the bread is coming out of the tin, much like when it proved. So I want this to double in size. Again, this could take anywhere between 2 and 4 hours. So I'm just going to leave it here and I'm going to cover it with a cloth. If you tend to use cling film, a cling film will push it back down and it could destroy some of the rise of it. So I'm just going to use a tea towel, a clean tea towel. I'm going to dampen it slightly, put that over the top and just leave it several hours. Now when I proved this bread originally, it took exactly 3 hours. That was in the pressure cooker set to the yogurt setting. It would have risen to double that size in about 4 hours anyway, even if I kept it on a work surface in a warm room. So I'm going to leave this here now to double in size, and I'll come back to it and we'll put that in the oven then to cook. So this is about 3.5 hours later. You can see now the dough has risen out of the tin, so it's doubled in size. Time to put it in the oven. So I'm going to put it in at 220 degrees C. Give it a blast of about 25 minutes and then lower it to about 200 degrees C for another 15 to 20 minutes. At that time then I'll check to see if the bread is ready.